Chai, chiki chai. Guys, so welcome back to this page, and it's really going to be a glorious activity. So I want to create something that is going on, or something I'm not really getting full picture of or full understanding about. So on a normal speculative note, like I've always said, I want to be favoring the bear. I mean, looking at it from a weekly perspective, like that, like that, like that. Well, let's talk about what is going on right now, because the best way to determine the future trend or the trend of the market is the current situation. Well, leaving that aside, let's talk what is going on. Hmm. So on a weekly spectrum, we had a weekly close below this resistant area. This one breached it, this breached it, yes, this closed below it. So it's signifying this area should not be holding as a significant resistance. But what is now going on, or what I'm seeing, is that this closed as a shooting star. Probably prices should have like a minimal retracement to 50% of this, which is probably to this same area of resistance. If it gets rejected here, then we should continue our downward trend. If it doesn't, then we should start open onto bull possibilities. But the only reason why we're up to bull possibilities is because the RSI is actually at the 30-degree, and these are reversal levels on RSI spectrum. This 30 levels, whatever. But this is based on a weekly information, so we need more data set to be able to determine whether prices will play out that way. But on a daily spectrum, honestly, is looking a little slightly bullish, not fully bullish, but slightly bullish. I mean, this is a trend line, and this is looking like a false breakout, then a retracement into the trend line, which is kind of like a bullish spectrum. Or if this one can hold probably by tomorrow as a support level, there is a high possibility that there might be enough force to break this as a resistance. But it's just currently the situation is just a bit like a wobble. Not really knowing who is gonna win. So I'm just going to put this out there. Since it's quite risky, there's no really determinant of who is going to dominate prices, honestly.